What if I told you that everything you need to run the delivery side of your company could fit into a single dashboard? Not 10 dashboards, not 5, 1. A dashboard so clear and actionable, it lets you measure how your software teams, portfolios, and overall company performance align. Let me show you how it works. But first, if you don't know me, my name is Santi Pozo and I'm the co-founder of Elevate. We specialize in helping teams scale without the drama. Companies like Holdit, sold for over 120 millions, use this exact system to turn chaos into predictable delivery in just 3 weeks. And today, I'm giving you this cheat code for free. We will break into 3 layers. It's designed to help you track what matters most and drive decisions that deliver real results. But before we get into the layers, here is something critical to understand. Your company operates in 2 main parts, the acquisition side and the delivery side. Acquisition is marketing, sales, and everything involved in bringing customers in. Delivery is the engine that builds and ships the software they are paying for. Today, we are focusing on the delivery side, where product, data, design, and development teams make things happen. This is where efficiency meets execution. At the top of the dashboard, we have the company layer. This is all about the outcomes your company needs to survive, grow, and thrive. For software business, these metrics are usually economics. Monthly recurrent revenue, annual recurrent revenue, number of paid users, that's it. 2 to 3 metrics, no more. These are the numbers investors care about, and they act as your North Star. Every decision made at the delivery level should trace back to these metrics. If it doesn't move the needle, why are you doing it? Beneath the company layer is the portfolio layer, where you track big picture projects. These are what we call portfolio projects. This is about understanding what are the main projects we are working on, how long will take us, what's their status. Most software companies don't work in silos. Big projects often require collaboration across multiple teams, product, design, development, and sometimes even acquisition teams. But here is the problem. Collaboration creates dependencies, and dependencies create delays. Think about it. When one team depends on another, what happens? Most of the time, it's a waiting game. Requests pile up, projects stall, and everyone priority number ones look different. This creates a spider web of inefficiencies that can choke your delivery process. So what do? We focus on visualizing those dependencies in this portfolio layer. How many requests are we waiting? How long are they stuck? Which teams needs to unblock others? The portfolio layer is your tool to expose those bottlenecks and address them. The secret to success here is simple. Reduce dependencies, eliminate waiting, keep things moving. If your company can deliver big projects efficiently, you are ahead of the game. But if you've struggled with it, then the solution is to pivot. Deliver smaller and autonomous pieces of value that individually teams can complete without dependencies. At the base of the dashboard is the team layer. This is where we measure how well individual teams are delivering value. Here, we track throughput, or the number of items a team delivers in each iteration. Throughput should measure when a task is delivered to the client, not just when it's complete by the team. This ties throughput directly to deployment frequency, a critical metric for software companies. But if your team isn't autonomous enough to release software on its own, you may need to track throughput and deployment frequency separately. We also track cycle time, or how long it takes a team to complete a single task, from start to finish. Think of throughput and cycle time as 2 sides of the same coin. Throughput measures how much work you are delivering, and cycle time measures how quickly you are delivering. Now, there are 2 additional metrics every software company should be tracking. First, time to restore the service. No matter how fast you are delivering software, downtime happens. When it does, the question is, how quickly can you recover? The best software companies minimize the impact of outage by tracking how long it takes to restore the service. The faster your recovery time, less damage to your reputations and customer trust. Second, failure rate. There is nothing more frustrating than working hard to deliver software fast, only to have every release cause new problems. A high change failure rate means every new feature or update breaks something. This leads to burnout, waste effort, and a lack of trust in your product. Tracking change failure rate ensures your team's efforts translate into real market impact. At both portfolio and team levels, there is one more metric to track: work in progress, or WIP. WIP is how many tasks or projects you're running at the same time. Here is the rule. The more WIP you have, the slower everything moves. Why? Because multitasking isn't real. It's just task switching, and task switching wastes energy. To maximize efficiency, balance your WIP. Reduce it until your throughput and cycle time hit their sweet spot. Too much WIP, projects stall. Too little WIP, your teams may not be fully utilized. Here is why this dashboard works. At the company level, you know if the big picture is on track. At the portfolio level, you spot and address bottlenecks in cross-team projects. And at the team level, you ensure every team is operating at peak performance. This dashboard isn't just about tracking metrics, it's about action. It's your cockpit showing you where to steer, when to throttle up, and when to ease off. But here's the truth. Setting up and optimizing this dashboard isn't always easy. If you want to get it right the first time, we can help. Click the link in the description to book a free consultation, and let's build a dashboard that transforms how your company delivers value.